Today we are solving LeetCode problem 1545. Find Kth bit in nth binary string. This is a medium-level problem, and it is a very interesting recursion and pattern-based question. Let's understand the problem step by step. We are given two positive integers n and k. We define a binary string Sn as follows. S1 is equal to 0. For any i greater than 1. S of I is equal to S of I minus 1 plus 1 plus reverse of invert of S of I minus 1. Here, plus means concatenation. Reverse means reverse the string. And invert means change 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. Our task is simple. We need to return the Kth bit in Sn. And it is guaranteed that k is valid. Let's understand the first example. Input n equals 3. K equals 1. Output 0. If we build S of 3, it becomes 0 1 1 1 0 0 1. The first bit is 0. So the answer is 0. Now let's see example 2. Input n equals 4. K equals 11. Output 1. If we construct S of 4, the 11th bit in this string is 1. So the answer is 1. Now let's observe the pattern carefully. S1 is 0. Length is 1. S2 is 0 1 0. Length is 3. S3 is 0 1 1 1 0 0 1. Length is 7. S4 is 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1. Length is 15. If you notice the pattern, the length of S of n is 2 power n minus 1. This is extremely important. Now observe something even more interesting. Each string is previous string plus 1 plus reverse inverted previous string. So every string has a clear middle element. That middle element is always 1. Because we are explicitly inserting 1 in the middle. Let's think carefully. Total length of S of n is 2 power n minus 1. The middle index is 2 power n1. Because left half size is 2 power n1 minus 1. Then one middle element. Then right half. So, if k equals middle index, answer is always 1. Now consider three cases. Case 1. K is in left half. Then it is exactly same as Kth bit in S of n minus 1. Case 2. K equals middle. Answer is 1. Case 3. K is in right half. Then it corresponds to reverse and inverted position of SOF n minus 1. So we convert k to total length minus k plus 1. And then invert the result. This makes the problem purely recursive. We never need to actually build the string. And that saves huge memory. If we try to build the entire string, length becomes 2 of n minus 1. If n is 20, length becomes more than 1 million. That is not feasible. So we must use recursion and mathematical observation. This is a pattern recognition problem. Now let's look at the solution. We create a helper recursive function called find. Base case. If k equals 1, return 0. Next important condition. If k is a power of 2, that means it is exactly the middle element. At some level. In that case we return 1. We calculate total length as 1 shifted left by n, which gives us 2 power n. Now if k is in the left half, we simply call find with n minus 1 and k. Else, we call find with n minus 1 and total length minus k. And then we invert the result. Inversion is done using XOR with 1. Finally we convert integer result to character by adding 0. Time complexity is O of n. Space complexity is O of n because of recursion stack. This problem teaches us something very important. Whenever a string is built recursively, try to understand its mathematical structure instead of constructing it. Key takeaways. Length is 2 of n minus 1. Middle element is always 1. Right half is reverse inverted left half. Use recursion with index transformation. That's it for today's daily LeetCode problem. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next problem. Happy coding!